I get this question at least once a week. Do you guys get this question at least once a week?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Maybe I'll give Jesse the first swipe on this.
So so the first part, biggest question is how are security services leveraging AI to keep track of the criminals? So there are some products, endpoint products specifically, that have been doing this for some time, but it wasn't the hot topic, so you didn't hear about it. AEP and next-gen EDR tools have been doing processor level detection for ransomware. So that's one way that they can do it. They use AI to see the bytes and bits being written into the machine code at the processor level, and can detect if ransomware is being detonated on a computer and stop it. So that's one example of something that could use AI to detect criminals. And then how do you position your business to manage a lot of security product stacks, but rather focus on the threats? This is a great question. It's a balancing act. It's tough. I think it requires continuous management and monitoring on the product and ops side. So doing some of what, I'll segue in here, doing some of what Gradient can offer to you to start seeing if your products are profitable, to start seeing what you're billing. But also that's one piece to the puzzle. I think the second piece is you have to have an ops program that actually reviews those things. So I think it's ops management and it's automation, a good blend of it there.
Yeah, and I think I've got basically the same thoughts here, which is operations matter, people and process matters around this stuff. The AI thing, first of all, anyone that's sticking AI like in their byline for their like threat detection product right now, as far as I'm concerned, they're all snake oil. That said, okay, the other side of that coin is every good endpoint protection product right now is using AI in some way. And the absolute best ones, they don't make a thing of it. They don't talk about it. It's a piece of their value operation right next to signature-based definitions for finding IOCs and right next to people and process actual threat analysts. So it's one tool you have in your box, but I would say AI is, while it's largely made some automated tasks a little bit simpler and more accurate, basing any type of threat management around AI is, we're not in that decade yet. And I don't know when we're going to be in that decade, but we're not there now.